Welcome to the stream, guys. We're going to do all eyes on me. This is Bitcoin saying, you better look at me. Here we go. All eyes on me, Bitcoin. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bingo, bango.
Yeah. For those that don't know, my name is Bitcoin, the OG, the crypto godfather. Charts don't lie, candles don't sleep, markets move. When I speak, all eyes on me when the price go parabolic. For those that don't believe, keep watching, it's symbolic. BTC, all eyes on me. The block's been mine, the prophecy. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Yeah. BTC, all eyes on me. Stacking sats in the shadows, DCA every dip. When bears start talking, that's when real ones flip. Charts bleeding red, fear in the zone. Bitcoin built this throne on blockchain stone. Bitcoin, watch the weak get wrecked when greed hit max. Wallets disconnect, trust the math, not the hype you see. Bitcoin talking back like all eyes on me. Hodl through pain, through having and war. Every dump just fuel for the bull encore. Liquidity traps, fade that noise. This ain't luck, it's calculated. All eyes on me when the charts go wild. I'm the reason that the future smiles. For those that don't believe, keep watching, BTC, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. BTC, all eyes on me. All coins are cool, they beat a rabbit. Greed to thrash your wallet, now that's a bad habit. My name is Bitcoin, secure that win. Discipline's the code, where legends begin. I'm Bitcoin, the turtle, I'm slow but steady. Accumulate quiet, then bags become too heavy. Breakout candle, they come as fuel to flame. Every all-time high just etches my name. Resistance flip, retest confirm. Patience pays, that's what trader will learn. From Tokyo blocks to Wall Street seats, the blockchain beat is where real ones meet. They laughed in 2013, they mocked in 2017, they cried in 2021, and now they follow the king. Every half in the coronation, every all-time high revelation. They called me a fraud, a pyramid scheme. Now they saying Bitcoin reigns supreme. All eyes on me when the price go parabolic. For those that don't believe, keep watching, it's symbolic. BTC, all eyes on me. Crypto godfather, the prophecy. For those that don't believe, keep watching, For those that don't believe, keep watching, For those that don't believe, keep watching, BTC, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. Oh, all eyes on me. BTC, all eyes on me.
That's right, guys. All eyes on Bitcoin. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bingo, bango. I said bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time, that's right, guys, to make this money. So let's do it. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. That stuff is boring, in my opinion. Special shout out to Mike. Appreciate you, man, for being here. You are the best. You are the best. We got others rolling in. Again, we changed our streams. Now we are doing it at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day. 9 p.m. And then we do bonus streams, sometimes at 12 p.m., sometimes a little bit earlier. So make sure you're following on X. Make sure the notification bell's on. Same thing with YouTube. But if you're in the free portion of the Telegram, of course, you get notified there. And also Discord is free. So if you're on Discord, come join my group. It's free and you get notified. All right, that's all I got. Let's go to the crypto bubbles. Oh my gosh, Dash for the day of 26.6%. Ooh, dog it. Zcash up 17.4%. Tau up 16.5%. We were looking at Tau. Same thing with Virtuals. Virtuals is up as well. That's on the daily. Everything else, not really. And this is one thing that I really, it's been very evident this cycle. Some will run. We don't know which ones. Well, because the market is so saturated Normally, when we would see 26%, we'd see 34%, we'd see 18%, we'd see 28%. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in double digits out of thousands upon thousands upon thousands of points. You know, at least, let's just say the top 200 coins, 200 projects, we only have 4 that are double digits. We're too saturated. The market's too saturated. On the hour, we got prices coming up. Does that mean Bitcoin's coming up? We're going to find out in just a moment. Let us look at the altcoin season index. We're at 32. Yesterday, we were at 29. Last week, 24. And then 56 last month. Let's go to the liquidations. We're going to refresh this really quick and just kind of see if, by chance, this is on the 24-hour time frame, we have a liquidations to the downside. Ooh. To the downside, we have 172.5 million right at 108.5. Man, that looks very enticing. I don't know about you, but normally we'll see it 32 million. Here it is 172.5 million. Man. We have some liquidations up here. 115 million. Am I on the right thing? 24 hours. Here's 78 million. Man, we got a lot of, man, liquidity is about to get their butt kicked. We got it up to the end downside. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. On the 12-hour, we have much hotter area right here. 161.4 million sitting at 111. We call it 111,900. Wow. Now, just because we break this level, that does not mean we're going here. A lot of traders, they talk like that. Oh, if we break this level, we're coming here. No, if we break this level, we're getting closer to here. So the chances of us hitting it is higher. The closer we get, the higher the likelihood of us going here. Does that mean that we will? No, just the closer we get to it, the greater the percentage or likelihood of us touching it. Now, there's been several times where we come real close to it and then we come down, trapping all the traders that were trying to go for this liquidity only to get stopped out, and then they become liquidity. All right, moving on. Let us look at Clash. So on Clash hasn't done anything. We're on the 4-hour time frame. And is it even updating? Is it updating? 5064? Man, I could have sworn it was right here yesterday. I'm looking. 903. Yeah, a few minutes ago. Somebody bought some. $200 worth. Y'all can't see it. Down here, you can see that was 5 minutes ago. Somebody bought $200 worth. Somebody bought $400 worth. About. Oh, that's 4 o'clock p.m. No, this thing's not updating. I'm afraid if I refresh it, it's going to all go away, but we have to. So let's refresh it. Let's see if our drawings are still there. Hey, it's still there. Okay. Hasn't done anything. Okay. Let's go to, that's all, because the other ones are all dead. Let's see here. Christmas tree 2022 says, Lambo clown. Trump is looking for Lambo clown. Uh-oh. Probably is. Probably is. He may be looking for that clown. And for those of you who do not know, the clown, do I have him here? I'm looking to see, who's this guy? Here's the clown. Now, the rumor is that he's no longer with us. However, I think he's hiding. He had enough money to do it. I don't know if it is, and it's not me being ugly, but I think he's hiding. He had enough money. We'll see. All I know is that he kept on talking about taxes, and towards the end, people were looking for him. People that had initials. Giving you a heads up. Joe, you You spreading fake news? You be the judge. You be the judge. I don't know. I just know he always talked about it. Like always. Let's see here. We are looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame when the price was here. I thought that the price might come up to here. If we look at the daily, you'll see why. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. However, when the price was here, I did not think that we're going to come down, up, down, up, down. I didn't think we were going to do that. I thought from here, we were going to come up to this level. Look at this very strong support on the daily. Then we went right through it. Then it was resistance, very strong. Then we came down, bounced off of our bounce zone, broke right through it again. So now I'm thinking, we might. So if we look on the hourly time frame, we can see that my thought process was pretty spot on. Do I know what's gonna happen? Nope, sure don't. But here I'm thinking we're gonna come up to about this level, come down. Here's our decision point right now. It needs to come a little bit lower. Let's go to 1 hour. Oh, it did. It did. Never mind. So this is our decision point. Right now, this is our decision point. And right now, what did I do? Right now, what I'm looking at is to see if here we roll over. This is what we do not want to happen for longs. We don't want it to roll over and break this level to come and attack this. Because then we may come and attack this. And then we might do something like this. Boop, come down. Until we find support and then we bounce up. So this is one thing that we're looking at. And right here, this is our decision point. Are we going to roll over and attack this to potentially come down lower? Or are we going to, I would like to see it come down here and then come up. Lower high is fine. And then now do this. Because now we're breaking these levels. Is what I would like to see. What do I think is going to happen? Well, right now, based off of my indicator that I created, hey, we got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you, man, being here. Road Dog. What's up, Road Dog? Just to let everybody know, what we're doing now is we're actually doing a different time stream or time of the streams. Now it's every day at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I send my people to Road Dog. He just doesn't know it. But I send my people to Road Dog, and then, of course, put Trade Intuition Raid. Sometimes he doesn't see it, but just to let you know, we do help support other streamers. Sometimes we'll throw them to Road Dog. Sometimes we'll put them to Blockchain Brew. Sometimes there's a few. Sometimes to Lunar Beaches that we've been doing. So just kind of let you know. Let's see here. Clown is with MJ and Tupac. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's the story that he may be. Clown is at Trip's place, probably. But this is what I'm looking at right here. Which way do I think it's going to go? Well, right now, on the 3 minutes, this is an indicator that I was working on for about 2 days, and I really love it. I'm working on another indicator, but that one, so far, I spent 4 hours and no luck. But nothing but issues on it. But anyway, this one right now on the 3 minute, and this just shows momentum using the 9 SMA and the 30 SMA. And this is the stuff that I teach. It's, you don't need this indicator. But if the price action is above the 9, it's good. Above the 30, it's good. Above the 50, better. Above the 200, better. And not only that, but the higher the time frame, the better it is. So this just shows me at a really quick glance all that information. That's all that does. So depending on what time frame I'm on, well, not really, because all this, the 4 hour, it's telling me that it's a level 2. It's not looking good. But these can easily change if the price goes up. This again is a momentum type indicator versus a buy or sell. However, you can use it to buy and sell with the levels, the market structure that I teach. Hey, we got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. But yeah, right now, it's looking good as far, but well, that's because it's going up. On the higher time frames, we still haven't crossed the levels yet. So as soon as we start coming up more, then all this will be green. But that's how that works. Let's see here. What do I think is going to happen? Well, I really don't know. Let's look to see if we find anything else over here. I don't see any bullish divergence. We have a potential cross on the buy signal. You know, blue crosses above the orange, that's buy. Blue crosses below the orange, that's sell. So if you use that as a buy and sell indicator, in addition to other, you know, just to add to your confluence, well then great. But volume. Now I do have a volume indicator as well. Let's throw that on there. So this is volume. And then let's hide this one. So here it shows me volume. I need to adjust this to where the table, I can move it to like down here. But here it shows me the volume. Not only that, but it colors these candles. Now, Trader Main already has one, which is this Trader Main PVSRA. But mine, they don't, so this one's lit up. So if I double click here and I just put this to this one, double click or whatever, put that there. You can see that this one is a green candle because there's more volume here. Now these bingo bangos, that's not a buy indicator in this shorts. It's not a sell indicator. It's just saying that the market makers are pushing it down, and they'll continue to push it down until it bounces. And then this just shows you that there's more volume. So the market makers were pushing it up to break this, I guess, level. But then it just came down and we just see. But yeah. Let's see here. What else? Let's turn this off. Let's put this back on. So what are things going to happen? We really need to wait, in my opinion. We need to wait to see. Because right now, this is the decision point. We don't know if it's going to roll over to get this. If it rolls and it breaks this, then I can short, play a quick short to hopefully attack this. And maybe the short continues to play out. But if it breaks this up level, and then what I want to see is potentially get a rejection around here, but find support on this daily, then let's go. Because now, for all you liquidity traders out there, liquidity, this is some liquidity, this is some liquidity, and then of course everybody who entered here, the break of this, all their stops are right here. Everybody who entered this, the break of this, or the break of this, all their stops are right here. So that's where here's, you know, some liquidity, and then here's more liquidity, and then here's some liquidity, and then here's more liquidity. So for all the liquidity traders out there, you know, if the price goes up, there's a good chance that it'll come for this, either with a wick or whatever. But liquidity is built on the way down, it's higher up. On the way up, it's below it. That's where all the stop losses are at. All right, moving on. Moving on. All right. So right now, I don't know what's going to happen. Normally, I like giving you a plan A, plan B. Is there a question mark on this thing? I see a check mark. Oh, question mark. So we'll put it right here. I don't know. It's okay to not know. Let's see here. Rodog says, hoping we get the Halloween effect come again in full force. There you go. Let's go. Any coins y'all want to do? Coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? Tau. What's this one? This was. Is this? This is. Oh, we did this one. We're in this trade. Let me check. Tau. And the only reason we're in this is because of YouTube. Yeah. We got in it on the 26th. This is in the VIP group. I forgot all about this trade. I did an update Monday, and then we just let the market take it. But yeah, so the 26th, we gave this setup, you know, aggressive entry, safer entry down here. Yellow circles, aggressive entry, white circles, safer entries. Made a few videos on thought process in the VIP chat. So this one I was keeping up to date with it and letting people know in the VIP chat about it. Path tool showing possible price movement because I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see, your chart has lower entries. Oh, so this chart had lower entries than the video. That's what I'm saying here. But here, aggressive entry. I'm thinking we might like I want you to see this, guys. This is my thought process. Very clean, easy to understand. There's not all these, you know, there's not this stuff. Like I don't do this. And then the price is up here. And then let's say it doesn't come down to this. Let's just say our entry was something like this. And then it doesn't come down to here. It just, whatever. Like this leaves you to like think more, I guess you can say. Me, I show you, if you want, this is aggressive entry. We have aggressive traders, safer traders. Here, if you want, you can do an aggressive entry. I think the price is going to come down to here. I don't know. What happened? Price came down. Perfect. As it's coming up, you could enter. What happens? Well, if you're safer entry, you can enter here. That comes up, does a lower high. I always talk about this. Don't freak out. Now here, I wanted to bounce. Because it came down here, I get a little worried because now I'm thinking we may come up to here and come down. Y'all see that? It's where, depending on where it retraces to, depends on my thought process is if it's going to be a continuation or a reversal. Sure enough, it bounces here and we don't get rejected here, which is great. We come up, we do another higher high, but we get rejected here. Uh-oh. We come down a little lower than I would like, but still we come up. Now it's showing strength, making higher highs, higher lows, breaks this level. So basically, I'm showing you all the steps into entering this trade every single day on this channel for free. Here, it broke this level. Now we could enter if you didn't get any of these. And that's what this is showing right here. Once we break this, we enter. However, we broke it, but we made this level. So now we're not entering based off of this level. We're entering the base off of this level. We enter the trade. It goes up. Awesome. Comes down. That's fine. A little lower than just slightly lower than I would like. Comes up, comes down, break this. Ah, crap. Coming down. Now I'm looking for here to come down. This is what I'm looking at. You know, I'm looking for this decision point. We're going to come down, break this to come down and attack this, maybe attack this. Instead, we reverse, we break this level. Awesome. Let's go, Moon Mission. We come up, we go again, we get rejected here now. We come down. I would like to see it bounce here to continue the bullishness. And then yesterday, well, we saw what happened. Came all the way down. And these are my anchored VWAP. I have two of them. The range high and the pivot high and the pivot low of the start of this move. And it came right down to the top of this. I use this like Bollinger Bands, really. And then, man, Moon Mission. Both targets hit. And is this leverage? Oh, 2x leverage. Regular trade or a 2x. So that's 40 something percent. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. Now here, I would like to see it pull back to here and then come up. And which is beautiful because we have this top. So this actually gives us a range. So I would like to see from here, come down, well, do something like this. Let's go. That's what I would like to see. But yeah, let me catch up on the chat, guys. Let me catch up on the chats. Going to the list. Can we do T? Yeah, definitely. Let me write this down. And if y'all have any questions, please let me know. Again, I want to make money with you, not because of you. I know I always say that, but it's so true. There's a lot, man. And to me, it kind of gets me kind of a little upset. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that are multimillionaires and they made it, but they have all these paid groups and stuff. Now, granted, I do agree that you should pay for their, the time that they put in the market. I agree with that. But by the same token, make it reasonable. Don't make a trading course $700, just a trading course, like a videos or a boot camp or whatever it is, you know, $300, $500. No, make it reasonable, like $100, $50, $70, to where it's still, you're still getting money for all the time and effort and just the time you were in the charts, really, and the experience. But there's a lot, man. There's a lot of them. It's like crazy expensive. And I know because I buy them. You know, I'm like, okay, you know, they have this market structure boot camp or whatever it is. Like, I know how I do mine. Let me see how they do theirs. And then it's like, okay, well, I like that part of it. I'm going to add that to my system. And then I show it to y'all. And, you know, if y'all want to buy their course or whatever, and hey, go for it. But we'll do TIA. It's for Chris. Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Mike. You the best. Chris, you the best too. Wes in the house. What's up, Wes? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. But I would like to see this pullback. Right now, you can see we have our 3 minutes doing a sell level 3. We have our 15 minute doing a sell level 1. So they're just saying that the momentum is currently right now coming down. That doesn't mean it's a, oh, let's short it. However, my thought process is it might come down. And if it does come down, I want it to be a safer entry. It would need to break this level. To be a safer entry, it would need to break 481.67. This is a very aggressive entry. And if I was going to do an aggressive entry right now, I'm looking at about, we'll do 2.5% for the stop loss. If I was going to do an aggressive entry. But right now it's really bullish. So that even adds to the risk. So just to let you know, right now it's very bullish right now. It just made a nice moves. People may be in trades. They're like, oh man, I'm down. Let me jump into this trade that's already moved. And then they continue to push it up. Hey, we got Melissa. Yeah, so I'm starting been doing it for a little bit now. But my new streams are at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard every single day. Every single day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And then I do bonus streams. The bonus streams will more than likely be like 12 p.m. Eastern time. And it may be like once or twice a week that I do that. I might do another bonus stream earlier, but I kind of doubt it. So right now it's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. I'll give you a heads up. Let's see here. Fart coin. Yes, definitely. Do some fart coin. For crypto changed me. Very nice. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do, what's this? YouTube. Chiba. I think Chiba, I was calling for a short. Yeah, I was calling for a short and we would have been stopped out. Our stop loss was less than 1%. And boop, stopped out. I was thinking we were going to pull back and then maybe come up. But this one, I don't even think it pulled back. It didn't even pull back. Oh, we were doing a... What we're doing. So this was so the price was way up here. And so this right here where the price was at, this was a very aggressive entry. But a safer entry would have been the break of this. So it came down here. I probably would have entered here. So I would have probably entered here, and it's just coming up. I'm getting worried. I'm getting worried, and then getting super worried. I'm moving my stop loss. Since it's tight, and then boom, I get stopped out because it's gaining that momentum. It's not dropping yet, and so the longer it goes, the worried. That's like, I don't think this was a good choice, and boop, stopped out. Okay, so let's do TIA. Let's go to a 4 hour. I don't like it. Let's go daily. Oh my. Okay. Let's see here. So I don't like it. It actually broke. So it broke this level. So that's the part I don't like. It's still showing weakness. It's going to 4 hour. I mean, what could happen, and we have a pretty good chance of it happening, we may come up here to get this because it just dropped. So, of course, fair value gaps, a bunch of orders got skipped, blah, blah, blah. I'm thinking we may come to here, come down, maybe come up one more time to this, come down to here, and then lose. Or here, come up. But I don't know, to me this is too risky. But because the market might go up, I meant to say this is gonna be my plan A. We should do a trade. I want to do a trade. Here's my A. I don't like it though. It's high risk. It doesn't look good. Let's do Farcoin. Farcoin has a lot of volume. Or normally has volume. Ugh, looks similar. Normally Farcoin has a lot of volume. Volume on the daily though, only 69,000. Back in October, the beginning of October, we were like 6, 7 million, 12 million in volume, 17 million. And right now we're at 1.7 million, 3 million. To be safe. But right now, I think these coins are going to go up. Let's see here. Melissa says, oh, okay. I can make this time. I have been so busy in the day. Overwhelmed right now. Okay. Hey, there you go. There you go. I like it. I like it. So for me, same thing with the other one too that we just looked at. Safer would be once we've gained this as support, 0.4674. Right now, how far away is that? Is it like 18%? 25%? Ooh, I can't wait that long. I cannot wait that long. Let's go 4 hour. We have bullish divergence. Low, lower, low. No, we don't. Low, lower, low. No bullish divergence. Let's go 1 hour. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the structure. I'm looking at all the ups and the downs. I don't think it's going to come down like it did here. I would like to see it come down first before go up. 15-minute. This is what I like. Up, down, up, down. You know, we may come down and take this right here. What's the percentage? 4%. Okay, it's not bad. So I would have a lower entry here. Hey, lasers go pew pew. What's up? And I have a stop loss. So everybody will have their stop loss right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my stop loss 10%. Ouch. So that means I can only do a 20x leverage. I can do a 20x leverage and not get liquidated. No, it would be a 2x leverage. Boring. Boring. Okay. Because I'm thinking we may come back down. I mean, we already did. We came in down for this. We may come back down for this again. That's what I'm thinking. And historically, this one has a lot of volume that likes to come in. So I would have a lower entry, a 3 3/4%. This would be lower entry. You know what? I'm gonna be risky. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Because, I mean, if it comes down here, I'll just re-enter it once it starts going up again. Like this right here was a beautiful break. You know, we came up, we went, we broke this, awesome. It's still kind of fresh because it could roll over, but then it went and broke this one, perfect. And then I'm pretty sure Crypto Changed Me mentioned it right here, which is beautiful. I would like to see it come down here. Let's go to a 3-minute. Right now, we have our momentum shifting to the upside, so that's good. Let's go 3-minute time frame. The minimum, let's see this retrace. Right here, which is it's getting close. So we might see something like this if it pushes up. But if it breaks, and this is what I'm always referring to. Like if it comes down to 0.5, the golden pocket, but it breaks at 618, because now it could get rejected off of the 618 to break into the 786. And then take away all of its gains that it just did. If this is the case, then we may come for this. And we might come for this. But here, hopefully, our stop is in place. So I would like to see if it curves up here. But my lower entry will be here. Now, since I reduced my stop loss, I could up my leverage. Now, if you're trading with more money, then you don't need to up your leverage. I trade with little money, so I can have more leverage. But what I'm gonna end up doing is I'll go 5x. I'm gonna enter this trade. So one thing I always do is I let you know before I enter the trade. There's a lot of traders that are like, I entered the trade, I moved my stop to entry, took first profit, target, blah. It's like, dude, you didn't give us a setup. Like, what are you talking about? There's one guy, I kind of felt bad for him, but I started watching him maybe like a week ago now. I tried helping him, but he doesn't want help. He's the one who I always talk about where he shows you how trades would have been successful, but he's using all these theories and he's trying to find the reasons why it worked versus trading right now, you know? So I'm going to enter this trade. I'm going to enter it right now. I'm going to stop yapping. But so here we're going to do enter now, YouTube. And then here, October 31st. Time is 9:40. 9:40. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this right here. The official call out has been done. Lower entry right here. So let me go ahead and enter the trade. Now I'm just going to put a little bit. So that's what I do. Like I put a little bit here because I want to see this. And if so, then this is where I put more. So what I'm going to do, normally I do half and half. I think I'll do that here. No. Normally I do half and half, but I'm going to I put 33% and then the rest here. So I'm going to come over here to this one. This is Fart Coin. And I told y'all 5x, even though I want to go higher, but I'm gonna go just 5x. My stop loss, oh, is way down here. I forgot to tell you the stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss is really important. Stop loss. Okay. Only doing a 5x. So I just entered the trade. Just to show y'all that I entered. Bingo bango. But I only put a little bit of money in, a little bit of money. I would love to get this entry. Sometimes they don't happen. Sometimes it just goes up from here. But that's the thing, like you can't be greedy. Oh man, I could have made so much money if I would have put all in here. But what if it came down and then you entered here, but then you get stopped out? You know, you lost, yes, you lost, you know, because I'm doing a 5x leverage. You lost 25, let's just call it 27%. On this entry, but on this entry, you only lost 10%, 11%. And here you had more money. So just give you a heads up. All right, moving on. All right, so we just entered that trade. Let's go back to the chat. Who's here, guys? Put a one in the chat. Put a one in the chat. So just to let you know, we are doing 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on out. We do have bonus streams, and sometimes they're at 12 p.m. I might do it like once or twice a week, and then maybe another bonus stream, maybe earlier than that time frame. We'll see. But just to let you know, and again, the main thing is to get different audience, new audience. Hopefully, more people can be exposed to, you know, showing you how to trade, and not trying to make money off of you. So just let you know. And we got OJ Sen in the house. What's up? What's going on? Appreciate you guys being here. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. One. Love it. Let's see here. Any other coins? Aerodrome. Man, this one we got wrecked. And I mentioned this one yesterday where, you know, because it pumped. No. We're over here. Because it dumped so much, I'm thinking we're going to come up to about here and then hopefully roll over. And as it's coming, because I'm thinking we're going to come up. So in order to long, and it's not as risky, you know, because sometimes I'll do this. If I can sit and watch these, this is what I'll do, and then I'll do it for my group too. I'll show them. So here, in order for us to long, it needs to break this. It doesn't. Okay, cool. Broke this. I'm expecting it to come up. So we're not entering the short as it's coming down. You know, we don't. You could have, but it's just high risk, very high risk. And I think I actually had a circle here for high risk. Then it comes down. Now this is the level we want it to break. It comes down, comes up right to the level. Didn't break it. Keeps on going lower. But the lower it goes, the higher the chance that it's getting really close to going up. Breaks this level. What we could have, woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. But again, this is what I'm showing you. Like, I'm thinking the price is going to come up. This is how we could gain from the price going up, because the price kept on, it just went down, down, down. So it's going to come up. If it just goes up to here and then comes down, okay, well, it came up to here. But here, it broke the level. Then it broke this level, even better. Now I'm looking for a retrace. Here, I'm looking for a retrace to about here and come up. Keeps on going. So now here, I'm thinking, okay, if it breaks this level, we can short. You know, here's an aggressive entry. I ended up doing this aggressive entry, entering here. I did not get a chance to add. Uno. Mike one. I did not get a chance to add here. And then sure enough, came up. And then once it broke this, and I actually made an updated video here. And I told the group, I said, if we break this level right here, we're cooked. There's a really high chance. I mean, it just went up. Sure enough, and this is only for the aggressive entry. The safer entry never hit. And then sure enough, doing this number, and boom. Our stop loss wasn't here though, but it was up here. And then came down, and boom, now it did. And this was just me doing a hypothetical for me to short. And this is what I recommend y'all do as well. You know, put your stop loss and your targets on the chart. And I think the break of this level. No, it was here. I was like, you know what? If I were to short, you know, candles closing underneath this level, what did it play out? And I didn't take the trade, but I said hypothetical. So, you know, I'm looking for this target and then the max of 6%. And, it, you know, risk to reward was there. But I didn't take it, though. I just said if I did. And sure enough, it's going. Awesome. Now we need to break this. We don't want it to break this. If we do break this, I don't want it breaking this level around, you know, because doing a fib retracement, this is the 618, 786 level. This is my danger. Like, uh-oh. And sure enough, comes down. Awesome. Comes up here, breaks this level. Oh, crap. Goes into this level. Uh-oh. Now it's possibly reversing. It's gaining strength. Comes down. Okay. Comes up. Here is when I'm looking for it to roll over and break this. And then break this. And then break this. And nope. I was like, man, I'm glad I didn't enter this because I would have got wrecked. And then whoop. But then I stopped watching it. And then to enter this one as a short, you know, break of this. Okay, we enter the short, have a stop loss. No, my stop loss would have been up here. Just using the fib retracement. Then it comes up, breaks this level. Ooh, even better. Let me move my stop loss down. And then it goes this number, more than likely first target hit, second target hit. Also move my stop loss right here. Comes up to almost, comes up. Here's where I want to see it reverse. Right here. And it didn't, and I get stopped out, hypothetically. And so we trade. Joe, look, a bear flag. I mean, a bull flag. No, it's not a bull flag. Come down. Oh, Joe, I see it. Not really. It might come down in here before going up. Break at that level. Safer. Here, catching it. Risky. All right. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Let me know, or forever hold your peace. This will probably be a quick stream. Maybe 5 more minutes if there's no questions. Let's look at our fart coin. It's coming down. Awesome. Oh, before I forget, because I always forget to do this stuff. Let me put my lower entry. I always forget to do this. Let me copy my stop loss. Copy. Stop loss. Okay, check. And long is 5x. Got it. My lower entry, 0.3118. Okay. Put a little bit of money in. Okay. Long setup. There we go. We're ready to rock and roll. We're ready to rock and roll. Now, one thing that I do want to show, let's go to my momentum. So we're going to show our fast or slow, our VWAP, and then what the heck, we'll do our dots. And I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but bear with me. Fast, slow, that's what we need. Okay, so on the chart, I have a bunch of different things on the chart. So on the chart, the white line is my 9 SMA. We can see that we have our gray dots that's saying this momentum. It's losing the momentum. This is our 30 SMA. And if it breaks this one and closes underneath it, you'll see a second dot. So that's sell level 2. Right now it's crossing it. You can see here's our second dot as it goes up. And you can also see here on the 3-minute, we just changed to a level 2. And then if it goes and it closes underneath another one, which is the VWAP, which is the blue line, then that's a level 3. Now, again, you know, this could flip and flop. You know, here it was very bullish. 3 of them, level 3, level 3, level 3, level 3, because we're above our requirements. And then here we change, or potentially the start of a change. Then here was only 1. Then here it said, oh, never mind, we're going to go up. And it's like, nope, we're probably going to come down. And again, it's wherever the candle closes or the candle's at. But that's what this is showing. So this is just showing the momentum crossing the 9 SMA, the 30 SMA, 50 SMA, 200 SMA, higher time frame, stronger the potential momentum. And that's all this is. This is not a buy or sell. This is just momentum. So I'll give you a heads up. Let's see if the chat. On the chat. Okay. I think everybody wants to sleep. All right. So that's pretty much it for me. You know, hopefully we do come down. And like I said, mentioned, if we're lucky, we'll get this lower entry, but we'll see. Maybe we should do another 5 minutes. Now we can go to somewhere. Oh, Lunar Beaches doesn't show today, right? On Fridays? I forget. I think it's off on Fridays. Let me check. Let me see who's streaming. Redirect. I don't see anybody. I don't even see Road Dog. Let me type in Road Dog. No? Huh. Let me try it one more time. Looking to see anybody streaming. Is CCM still streaming? No? Yeah, I didn't see him either. I guess no one's streaming. They're all eating candy. Good. Cool. That's funny. That's one for the books. That's one for the books. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. You guys are the absolute best. And greatly appreciate you. We will leave you with that. And just to let you know, my new time is at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Here to make money with you, not because of you. If you do want to help support the channel, if you want to help support the business and you have money, join the VIP group. That, of course, is a Telegram group. If you don't have money, not to worry, I got you. I will help you make money. Two reasons. One, because I want to help you. And two, so you can make money and join the group. So there you go. All right. That's all I got. I do thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Take care.